Good evening, everyone. It is Sunday, May 9th, and I am doing a little video here for the week. I am out for the week, but you can always reach me, heatherc@givingtreetrading.com, or send me a private message in the chat room, and I will get back to you as soon as I am able. But again, I will be out all week. That is right. You are stuck with Nate. Oh my gosh, I feel so sorry if that's not true. Nate's pretty okay, I suppose. Okay, let's take a look at indice futures here. We are up about a quarter of a point-ish, or yeah, we'll say about a quarter of a point across the board, just making a little bit of a move up here. I know Asia has opened up green, and you can look here in our futures. So this is the S&P futures, putting in a little candle. So we've had this trend race. We kind of walked up, we took a little break, we walked up, took a little break, pulled ourselves back here, touched the 20, and taking another walk up. Our trend is still in the upward we are still in an upward trend, but be aware that there are a lot of other news things that kind of swirling around, whether it be talking about a spending plan or a tax plan or whatever it is, and that kind of makes some investors pretty nervous. So always keep that in mind and put your risk out there accordingly. Okay, but as of right now, we are working on the green side, so we will continue with that. I'm going to go through just a few charts here, and I'm going to start out in the financial sector. So we've been playing XLF, and I'll get to that in a few minutes here. We've been playing XLF in the room, and he's been a great, not just swing trader, but a great day trader here. But right now I'm looking at C. We drew in this trend line. We used it really beautifully. We had a bullish engulfing candle here on Friday on C. I would look at the June 18th, 75 on a breakout play. Heading over into the energy sector, we've also played XLE. Heading over into the energy sector, check this out. We had this nice move up, pause, boom, took off again. A little bit less volume, but still looking pretty dang good here. We have a nice gap that's headed up here, and that gap will come into play at 58.57. And we will look for a move up to that gap. And then, of course, watch how we play the gap. Make sure we can get all the way through it. But overall, energy and gas and oil stocks have done very well. You're going to see another one here in just a minute. But COP, I would take a look at the August 20th, 60s on those. Yep, I said it, all the way out to August. So we get ready to start driving and visiting people. And yeah. Have you been to the gas pump? CVX looking very much the same. Looking really well here, but actually building a little extra volume. And we do have an ex-div date coming up. This may give us a nice buy-in. If you're looking for a little bit longer term of a play, I would wait a few days till we get to that ex-div date. A lot of times we dip a little bit. But overall, on CVX looking really great here. July 16th, 110s, looking for the move to 112.70 and then a breakout. All right, we'll take a quick little stop here and look at the XLE. If you don't want to play a specific name that's encompassed in this, take a look at the whole energy sector doing really well. We've played this quite a few times. We are coming very close to this high that we had here at 54.37. So my suggestion is if we gap up or move up over that, that would be my line in the sand to hold for a breakout play. All right, moving along, I like CZR. CZR making a nice move here on a breakout of that 106.20. AMT, really nice reversal play. We came up, we hit the 20, relaxed just a little bit, but look at that volume. Oh my goodness, we're looking for anything over the 20, which is also the 8 is right there, so we're looking for any move over that. And I think that there's really good room here. I think my initial target would be 252.18 area on AMT. EXPE just had earnings. Of course, this is Expedia, all about getting out, traveling, making travel plans. We use the 50 really nice. So after earnings, we had this really nice move up, sold a good portion of that off. So we're looking for now a move back up above the 20 on EXPE. Look at the the July 16th, 180 on those. Fastly got smacked with the ugly stick a couple days here. We're looking for this area to hold where this volume is kind of built in. Buyers have stepped back in, looking for a move back through the close here from Friday. That would be at 41.88 if you want a little bit more safety. Wait till we get through the high from Friday, 44.55, looking for a move into the gap on FSLY. Okay, a few sector stocks I like here, or sector ETFs I like here, looking at healthcare. Healthcare has really kind of, had this really nice move up. We took a very nice break, heating back up here. We didn't have nearly as much volume on Friday, but we had built in a lot of volume throughout the rest of the week. So looking for a move through the close through 124.07. I really like XLV. So this one, there's a few strikes you can look at. My initial one that I would look at is the 125s, but you can push that out to the 130s. And there's plenty of open interest hanging out there. And my last one here is XLP, Consumer Staples. Why am I putting out all these ETFs? Well, you don't have specific stock name exposure. It just kind of gives you a little smoother look if one particular name takes a hit. The rest of them may not be struck by that same news. So it just gives you a little bit of a smoother chart to look at, so to speak. But XLP here, really nice move on Thursday. Took a little bit of a break here on Friday. Overall, consumer staples starting, they're doing really well. And on the weekly, they are up healthcare is up about 4% on the monthly. And the consumers up about just shy of 3% here. So overall doing very well on these, and they're liquid. They also make nice day traders if you want to hang out and cash overnight. Remember, cash on any kind of crappy day, just don't play it. Cash is a position, and it is your most powerful position to have. Okay, again, I'll be out all week, but if you have any questions, please reach out. I will miss you all, and I will see you next week. Have a great week, even if I'm not a part of it.